Right, so welcome back to another video. Before we get started, please do drop a like, comment, subscribe, turn notifications on. I want everyone to run at this channel. It's a new channel, well, fairly new, and I'm trying to grow it. Next year I'm going to be smashing the videos out and giving you guys some content, some educational videos, documenting my trading journey. So yeah, this video is going to be a breakdown of how I made around 2.9%. Let's just go with 3%, it sounds a lot better. 1 to 3 on GU on Wednesday. So if we go to the weekly time frame, in my breakdown video on Monday I literally called this to the T, and the week before as well. So I was using this zone here, so you can see I've got an area of resistance, support, okay, and I wanted this this zone to act as resistance again. Also retesting the weekly EMA here. So if you don't know what an EMA is, it's an exponential moving average, so that's pretty much where price has been on average, okay, and price tends to use it, so the candles tend to use this line as resistance and support. So you can see here how once price is under the EMA, we are selling, and then we are above, we are buying. So yeah, I wanted price to come retest the weekly EMA. We got this perfectly evening star formation candle formed, and then last week we had the push down. So I didn't manage to get into the push down, but that confirmed to me that we were respecting this zone. So I wanted to get in. I wanted to get in this trade as soon as I could. So if we go to the replay mode, on Monday I said to you guys how I wanted price to pull back into the zone to come and retest the psychological level of 27,000. Also pulling back into the fib 50%, and also to make a right shoulder on the daily time frame and that's literally what price did. So go to the 4-hour time frame, we had the pullback, retesting the 4-hour EMA, and then the entry. I'm just going to come out of replay mode so I can get my entry clearer. So this trade was a little bit choppy, not going to lie to you, and obviously it was FOMC, that's why we see this huge candle to the downside. So this entry wasn't very clean. Look, I think it was on the 30-minute I got it. Yeah, it was this candle here. So we had the doji and we had the bearish engulfing breaking under this EMA. It was around 1:30, so that's around New York session open, and I got in a tiny little bit late there, but that was around my entry, and then obviously went into drawdown, but that's fine. Stops were in a good place, and then boom, look at that, perfectly 1 to 3. That's a 1 to 2.9, but it sounds a lot better saying a 1 to 3. And but yeah, I literally called this to a T in my weekly video. You can also say this is a little head and shoulder at the top here. It's not the cleanest you'll ever see, but like it's all the same. Like price is literally in an uptrend. I'll go here and I'll demonstrate it for you. Price is in an uptrend, and then price comes to a halt and shift structure, and that is literally the head and shoulders pattern right there, and that's what it is. Okay, this isn't the cleanest one because they're not going to be clean every time. So this is, let me get the tool, head and shoulders, so you can say that's the left shoulder, this is the head, and then the right shoulder. Like I said, it's not the cleanest one, but that's just an example. And then on the daily, there's literally a daily head and shoulders here. So you got the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, because you can see how the daily is also bearish, because we made a lower high here, price broke down, and then we closed above this lower high, pulling back, making a higher low, higher high, and then we broke under this higher low, confirming we've shifted to bearish, and then price pulled back, making the lower high, and that is literally it. It does not get more simple than this, okay? I'm actually up around 5% this week, and I'm currently in another trade, but I'm going to break down those trades for you guys in a separate video. But yeah, that is pretty much all I've got for you guys today. If you've got any questions about anything, I want to know more what my strategy is, and then drop a comment, subscribe, like. You can message me on Instagram, I'll put it in the description below. But yeah, that is all I've got for me today. I'll see you guys in a bit.